This bike lock is the one that has never been cracked by a man, ever. But this man is daring enough to try. He will now crack the code as steadily as possible. The more steadily he does it, the more cracked it will get. I'm starting to get bored. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be back in a few minutes. 7 years is how long it's been so far. But the cameraman has not given up. And neither has the spooner. Look at that determination. "17 years now, but he is still relentless. This house still stays in perfect condition. I've noticed that oh God, no, don't. His previous actions with the pliers did not work. The code is still cracked. He decided to go back to the spoon, as he the spooner. What's this? Guys, I just woke up. Look, he did it. He is the spooner. He always will crack the code.